Imagine making money while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. In 2024, the opportunity to create multiple streams of passive income is better than ever. Whether you're looking to start small or dive right in, I'm going to share some of the best passive income ideas for beginners that require minimal effort but can grow into something much bigger. Stick around until the end to learn how you can build a path to financial freedom by setting up income streams that work for you even when you're not working. First up is print on demand. This is one of the easiest ways to start making passive income with almost no upfront investment. You can design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and upload your designs to platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printful. When someone buys one of your items, the platform handles everything, from printing to shipping. You earn a profit from each sale without lifting a finger once your designs are uploaded. Next, let's talk about real estate crowdfunding. In 2024, you don't need to buy an entire property to earn money from real estate. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet allow you to invest as little as $500 into real estate projects. As the property appreciates or earns rental income, you receive a portion of the profits. This is a great way to start investing in real estate passively without a large capital investment. Dividend investing is another solid passive income stream, perfect for beginners. By investing in stocks that pay regular dividends, you can earn a steady income just by holding those shares. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and many others offer quarterly dividend payments to shareholders. All you need to do is open a brokerage account with platforms like Robinhood, E*Trade, or Vanguard, invest in dividend-paying stocks, and let the dividends roll in. Moving on to affiliate marketing, which can be a lucrative passive income source if you have an online presence or are willing to create one. Essentially, you promote products or services using a unique affiliate link, and if someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can start by joining affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Once you've written a blog post, created a YouTube video, or shared your link on social media, it can continue earning you commissions long after the work is done. Digital products are one of the best ways to create passive income with minimal effort. Once you create a product like ebooks, templates, or online courses, you can sell them over and over again without doing any additional work. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make it easy to upload and sell your digital products. Whether you're teaching a skill, creating useful resources, or offering templates, once it's made, it continues to generate income. One often overlooked passive income idea is earning money from renting out your physical assets. This could be anything from renting out your car on platforms like Turo, renting out storage space through Neighbor.com, or even renting out equipment you own like cameras, tools, or bikes. While this requires some maintenance once it's set up, the income becomes largely passive as people rent your assets. Another way to earn passive income is through peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend small amounts of money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. As the borrower repays the loan, you earn passive income from the interest. This can be riskier than other passive income ideas, but the returns can be much higher, often 5 to 10% annually. Now that you've learned about some of the best passive income ideas for 2024, it's time to take action. Whether you start with digital products, affiliate marketing, or real estate crowdfunding, there are endless opportunities to make money passively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos on how to make money online. And remember, the sooner you start, the closer you'll get to financial freedom.